Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C32, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Obviously we're looking for a screen recording toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left, and this will show you a second page where you can see for me, I have a toggle right here in the corner. So once you see this toggle, you can tap on it. It will give you a couple options like record audio, device, microphone, both, and obviously it's toggled off by default, so if you want to record it, just toggle it on. And if you don't want to record any kind of audio, just keep it off. And then below that we have record touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display, to just show a visual indication on the screen recording once you're playing back where you were interacting with the display. Anyway, let's go back to it. So we're going to click on it and we're going to select start to record to give us a countdown and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded by the device. I'm going to open up one of the apps right here just to kind of showcase something, or not, because I guess I have no network. Anyway, the reason I wanted to open up Netflix was because it's one of those applications that blocks screen recording. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can select stop in your notifications. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. So right here you want to navigate to a library, and then you will have movies, looks like, and in movies you find your screen recordings. Now going back to the Netflix and blocking, Netflix and some other applications can block your screen recording, so what you will result in having is a black screen with sound if you choose to record it. But if you ever encounter just a fully black display, maybe just visible status bar and that's it, while you are pretty sure you should see more, just know that this is an application that for some stupid reason has a little bit too much control in what you can do on your own device, like Netflix as an example. But that's not the only application. Apps like bank applications will also do this as well, though that's a little bit more reasonable for security purposes. While Netflix, they don't have any security reasons for that, they just have greed as a reason. Anyway, so assuming you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.